how to copy base layout from COC and copying it from YouTube. The first things first is, of course, you need to have a Clash of Clans account and have it prepare logged in. Next thing to do is, of course, pull up your YouTube application and then just simply choose and then look for a free Clash of Clans base where you can just simply copying it and just pasting it to the COC game. So for example, we will be choosing out this video. All I have to do is to head to that content creators video description from YouTube and then just simply tap on see more. Scroll down till you find these options where you can copy the base links. So say for example, we will be choosing on the base 20. All you have to do is just to tap on that specific link where um, the other page is going to redirect you to open up your Clash of Clans. Next thing to do is just simply open Clash of Clans, and then you will automatically be given out or access to your COC game. Go to Edit Layout, and then this is where you can paste the base layout from YouTube. So that's it. That's how you copy based on COC from YouTube.